Hello, welcome elites. Today we want to talk about a very unique project. I've been bringing you updates and projects that have real use case and then that will soon be listing and then their prices. I've been doing that constantly. So today I want to bring you a very unique project called YESCOIN. We are going to discuss 8 things about this project. But before that, go to Telegram. Then when you go, you can search for Elite Income. So when you open for Elite Income, you will see the channel that I have posted the links for you to click and engage. The YESCOIN we are going to talk about is popular, which is this one. I will also tell you how many YESCOIN we have. And then today we are going to talk about, I've posted so many links in this channel, so you go there and check each project. I make research on project before I add it to the channel. So today we are going to talk about YESCOIN. This is YESCOIN. So we are going to talk about the YESCOIN airdrop. We are going to talk about the YESCOIN updates. We are going to talk about the YESCOIN bots. We are going to talk about how to connect wallets on YESCOIN. We are going to talk about YESCOIN withdrawal in case you want to withdraw your coin. We are going to talk about the listing date and the launching date of this coin. And then we are going to tell you which of the YESCOIN is fake or real. Then we are going to talk about auto clicker. So we have so many things in our box to open. So let's go dive in straight away. All right, this is YESCOIN. You see, you have already been invited. That is because I am already here. So I am invited by this person. So I click and open. Now this is how the interface of YESCOIN is. Now first of all, this is a task. We will talk about this task and how to get this 100,000 unit of YESCOIN by doing this task later. So, but now let's talk about the airdrop as general. So YESCOIN is a coin, a pizza coin that it's mimicking around the airdrop of pizza day. You remember that the pizza day in cryptocurrency is recognized as the day in which a Florida dev uses $10,000 Bitcoin to purchase 2 slices of pizza. That is the story. A Florida uses 10,000 BTC to purchase a pizza. You can imagine what 10,000 BTC Bitcoin could be now. So don't make the mistake of not doing this project, because this project is huge. I'm going to show you the numbers of people that they have already. I'm going to show you the numbers of users they have accumulated in a little period of time, and then the listing date. So let's dive in. So this is how the airdrop is. You sweep your hand and then you mine the coin. When you sweep your hand, you are mining the coin, and this is your coin balance. This is your coin balance. And then as you sweep your hand, you mine the coin. Initially, when you just enter, you are going to be mining 1 when you sweep like this. But you see, mine is 10. I'm going to show you how to upgrade to 10 in this video as we are going to progress. So first of all, how to mine 10 as you just come in. Remember, we are going to show you how to withdraw and how to link your wallet. So first of all, let's show you how to do what? Let's show you how to increase your mining speed and then the limit you are mining. So you go to this place called build, click on build. Now when build open, have you seen this multi-value? This multi-value, if I open up this multi-value means that I want to upgrade each tap, like in other coin you see tap. This one is called sweep. The multi-value is sweep. As you are sweeping like this, so each time you click update, it will level up to the next one. Now I'm already in level 10, so I don't want to upgrade again. So what you want to do, you just click on up, level up, and then you will have the next level. It starts with about 2,000 thereabout to update to each of the level. So that is for the multi-tap. So, and then this coin limit means, let me show you. It simply means that the level at which the numbers of coin you will mine will be. See, coin limit. To increase the coin limit plus 2,250 for the next level. So each level that you upgrade, you add additional 2,550. So like currently, my own is mining at 11,000. Let me show you. This fill rate here, have you seen it? That is the coin limit. So let me show you again. See, to fill it back, let me fill. See, I've filled it. I will show you this. That is the daily booster. I'm going to show you. This coin limit means, have you seen this place? Currently, mine is on 11,000. So that is the coin limit. So whereas this one here, fill rate, talks about the capacity and then the faster time for it to fill up this place. So those are the things you need to know about the airdrop. Now, before I go to the updates on this coin, I'm going to show you the YESCOIN bot, how to use the YESCOIN bot and everything. Now, have you seen this thing? This is the YESCOIN bot. This is the bot. Now, this bot simply mines for you when you are not around. But before that, just listen to me first. Now, this bot has about 5 or 6 levels. So if you upgrade the first level here, if you go to this place, you update. This is the levels. If you update the first level, you are going to be charged 500 unit of the token. So if you click the yes pack, which is the bot for mining, you will see that it's going to increase. It's going to start mining for you. Now, this level now, level 1, will mine for you when you are on the app. Please understand. That is to say, you must keep your phone open and then it mines for you. And you use 500,000 of the YESCOIN to update the bot to mine for you, because you won't be able to mine by yourself to have more coin. So that is why you should mine and get and buy the bot. Now, the level 2 here is if you have up to 1 million coin, if you buy it, that is when the bot will mine for you when you are not around. That is to say, you can leave the app and then it's mining for you, and every 2 hours, have you seen, every 2 hours you come back and claim the coin. Whereas level 3, you see, I don't have up to 1 million units, so I cannot purchase it. Whereas the level 3 is every 6 hours, the bot will mine for you. Then you come back and claim it. I don't know if you understand. So that is how the bot, the YESCOIN bot is. Then now I'm going to show you how to connect wallets and do other tasks to have coins so that you'll be able to buy this pack. So now, how to connect wallet in YESCOIN. So currently, some people have said, how can I connect my wallet on YESCOIN? Now, when you open that place that I press, let me go back to it. When you go to this place, to earn, have you seen earn? Click on earn. When you click on earn, it will open this place. Come to where you've seen your wallet address. When you have not connected your wallet, it will show there connect wallet. So let me just show you what I mean. Click on this connect wallet, and then you will have the chance of connecting either your Telegram wallet or your other wallet. Let me show you. Let me disconnect my wallet and then connect because of your sake and show you again. If you don't connect your wallet, you won't collect the airdrop. You won't collect it. So make sure you try and connect your wallet. I'm going to tell you the launching date soon in this video. Just stay tuned before the end of the video. Okay, have you seen it? Connect Ton Wallet. So let me do it and show you. So you click on Connect Ton Wallet. You can connect. Now it has pop up. Have you seen? See, connect Telegram wallet. So I want to, you can connect to your Ton Keeper. You can choose my Ton wallet. You can choose Ton Hub. You can choose the wallet, every other wallet that you wish to connect to that has Ton inside. You can do that. So, but I am going to use my Telegram wallet. So I click on Open Wallet in Telegram. I'm also going to tell you about if the coin is real or fake. So this is my wallet trying to connect now. Now my wallet is pairing up using Elite. YESCOIN want to connect to your Ton wallet. So yes, connect wallet. I click on connect wallet. Immediately the wallet is connected to tell you go back to YESCOIN. Now let's go back to that place. You will see that my wallet has been connected. And when you connect wallet, you are going to be given 500,000 unit of the coin. You see, this is how to do those tasks, and then you get the money to buy the bots to mine for you. Now you see your wallet address. My wallet has now been connected. So that is how to connect wallet. And then withdrawal. How to withdraw. And we are going to talk about how to withdraw. Let's talk about how to do some tasks and get more coin, because you can't just have few coin. I want you to have up to 10 million unit of the coin. So these three tasks here is for 100,000 of YESCOIN and then 120,000. These are the three tasks. So the first one is for you to subscribe to their YouTube channel. So you click on the task, it will take you to YESCOIN YouTube channel. And then when it takes you to the YouTube channel, you make sure that you subscribe. So when you subscribe to their YouTube channel, to tell you how big this project is, have you seen their YouTube channel has only one video and has 714,000 subscribers already. This is the official YESCOIN. So you go back after subscribing, you go back to the place, and then you are going to claim the 100,000 very soon. So you also do same to their Instagram. So you follow the Instagram of the YESCOIN. This is the Instagram. You click and you follow the YESCOIN, and then you will be awarded 100,000 of this. Then you do the last task, which is daily learning. So you come. So now let's talk about withdrawing of YESCOIN. You see, this is the coin that you own. This is your coin. This is the amount of coin you own. The truth is, at the moment, you cannot withdraw it to your wallet. A withdrawal day will come when you will just come. So on the withdrawal date, I'm going to update you on when you are going to withdraw this YESCOIN. Just come to this place. It will open that your wallet. You remember when we connected wallet? When it's opened that wallet, the next thing for you is to click on claim. When you click on claim, this YESCOIN here will go to your wallet. Now the listing date of YESCOIN. When is YESCOIN listing? Now, there is a circulation that is going to be listed on 16th of July. But I will say for now, if you go to their official Telegram channel, you will see there is no listing date yet. I am following YESCOIN and I am doing research on the team behind this great project. And I'm going to tell you for free, the listing date is not out. But if you want to be the first to get the listing date, when you should claim your coin and when you can trade your coin and how much each of the YESCOIN will be. Yes, there is a price that people are saying it's going to be 0.01 USD. Some said 0.2, 0.05. All those prices are just price prediction. There is no actual price yet. So I'm going to update you, but be sure YESCOIN is going to list on a very high price, more than Notcoin if you did Notcoin. So expect it at a very high price because the project is massive. And then I'm going to bring the listing date to you immediately they announce it. So subscribe to the channel, follow, comment what you don't understand. Next time we are going to talk about the boosting and the auto clicker. Or the auto clicker, I will not advise you to use external auto clicker. Instead of that, use the bot to mine for you. Use their bot. Their bot will mine for you. Upgrade to their bot to mine for you. For the auto clicker, external auto clicker, I do not advise anybody, because if they discover, you lose everything. So the listing date and the rest of the updates about YESCOIN I'm going to bring to you. So please like the video if you get value from this. Subscribe to this channel. And then share this video to others. Comment on the comment section YESCOIN, and I am going to reply to you. Just put YESCOIN, and I will mark your this thing so that the listing date, I'm going to send it as a message for you. Please follow Elite on all our social media handle. Go to Telegram, search for Elite Income, subscribe to the channel, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. Till I come your way with another very exciting project, the listing dates of Bloom. I'm going to tell you in the next few seconds in the next video. Thank you. I love you guys.